soft and thin. Wait for hours, let them grow till they're ready for the dough. Drain them out and make them boil. Watch them dance in water's royal. Mash them up with all your might till the paste is smooth and right. Flatbread rising in the pan, golden brown just like the sun. Serve it warm and share the love. Taste just like the skies above. Add some salt to make it sing. Mix it round in everything. Scoop it up and spread it wide. Let the heat work magic inside. Flip it once, then flip again till both sides are free from pain. Crispy edges, soft within. Now the feast is to begin. Flatbread rising in the pan, golden brown just like the sun. Serve it warm and share the love. Tastes just like the skies above. Flatbread rising in the pan, golden brown just like the sun. Serve it warm and share the love. Tastes just like the skies above.